In the framework of the Interreg Northwest Europe Blockstart project, I am glad to present the free training that my company offers to SMEs interested in the blockchain technology. 23 Consulting is a Paris-based firm specialized in supporting healthcare organizations in developing blockchain projects. We have been the first to enter the blockchain and healthcare space over 5 years ago and have since worked with leading healthcare organizations. Among our clients, health and blockchain startups, top pharmaceutical companies, European health facilities, or renowned NGOs. As a pharmacist myself, I have seen how concerned patients are with the protection of their health data or the drug development process. They continuously ask for more transparency, especially in the context of a pandemic. So I truly believe that blockchain offers a unique opportunity to create more trust between health organizations and patients for better outcomes. All our trainings are designed for SMEs working in the health industry and curious about the use of blockchain technology. We personalized all our trainings so it better suits the needs of the SMEs we work with. Finding a business model can be a challenging aspect of developing a health and tech company. This challenge is even more important when integrated a disruptive technology such as blockchain. The specificity of blockchain technology is that it has allowed for new and innovative business models to emerge that are completely unheard of in the traditional healthcare sector. This is the focus of our training. In this training, you will learn: what is blockchain technology and what are its use cases in healthcare? What is the state of blockchain in healthcare in 2021? What business models have blockchain companies developed? And how to assess whether or not these business models can be relevant to your company. If you need more information regarding this opportunity, head over to the Blockstart website, and I hope to see you very soon.